Are you a student of biology and want to get ahead in your career with biology as an option? But are you confused and could use some guidance? Then keep watching this video to know more about some of the mainstream courses for biology students to avail. Biology, when grouped with other subjects like physics and chemistry, opens up numerous courses to choose from. Depending on your skills and interests, let's have a look at some of the most sought-after options available. For students who are keen to take on this world, the 5 most popular courses available for students pursuing a career with biology are MBBS, BDS, BSc in biochemistry, biology, biotechnology, microbiology, marine biology, etc. Bachelor of Veterinary Science, and Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. If you want to enroll into the most coveted courses like MBBS and BDS, you'll have to take the National Eligibility Entrance Test (NEET) and meet the set academic criteria. An excellent score coupled with your 12th board scores can get you to the topmost medical institutions in the country like AIIMS Delhi, AFMC Pune, and CMC Vellore. If you are exceptionally motivated to study further in basic sciences like Bachelor's in Science, and venture into the field of research, then you can apply for the Kishore Vaigyanik Protsaham Yojana examination (KVPY), a national fellowship program initiated and funded by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. These fields requires diligent and focused work on the student's part to qualify competitive examinations like NEET and KVPY in order to pursue most of the courses after 12th to get into premier institutions like TU, SIR, Indian Institute of Sciences, C.V. Raman and IITs. Your pursuit for your favorite career doesn't have to be tough, and it's made easier with proper guidance from the right mentors. With our well-qualified and expert teaching staff, we at MSA strive to teach and guide you towards academic excellence. With the experience of training more than 3,000 students for NEET and other entrance examinations, Matrix Science Academy invites you to join its line of scholars and achieve your dreams. Contact us today if you wish to join the top medical colleges in India. Like this video if you found it informative. Share and comment down below if there is anything else you want to know. We are always looking forward to answering your valuable questions. Subscribe and follow us on our social handles, Facebook, Instagram, and on our website to know more.